What if I told you? You don't need to chase someone to make them think about you. No texting all day. No trying too hard. No begging for attention. In fact, the more you chase, the faster they forget you. But when you understand this one thing, people start thinking about you without you doing anything. Most people get this wrong. They think attraction is about talking more, trying more, giving more attention. But psychology says the opposite. People don't think about what they already have. They think about what they don't fully understand. Fire 1. Become unpredictable. If you're always available, you become predictable. And predictable becomes boring. Sometimes reply fast. Sometimes take your time. Not to play games, but to create space. Because mystery creates curiosity. Lightbulb 2. Don't reveal everything. Most people talk too much. They share everything instantly. But when someone knows everything about you, there's nothing left to think about. Leave small gaps. Let them wonder. What is she thinking? What are they doing right now? And that's when you stay in their mind. Brain 3. Trigger emotional moments. People don't remember conversations. They remember feelings. Make them feel something. Confidence, calmness, depth, even silence can create emotion. If they feel something strong around you, they will think about you later. Direct hit 4. Be present, then disappear. Be fully present when you're with them. Listen, understand, connect, and then step back. Don't always be there, because absence creates value, and value creates attention. Person in lotus position 5. Control your energy. Desperate energy repels people. Calm energy attracts them. If you look like you need them, they lose interest. But if you look like you're complete without them, they start chasing your attention. Warning: the truth most people ignore. You can't force someone to think about you, but you can create an experience they can't forget. And once that happens, they think about you without trying. Listen carefully. The goal is not to control someone's mind. The goal is to become unforgettable. Because when you become someone who is calm, mysterious, and emotionally strong, people don't just like you. They think about you. You don't stay in someone's mind by chasing them. You stay there by giving them something they can't replace.